welcome back to my channel. For today's video I have another empties series to share with you. It's amazing how many empties I have every month. I did not realize how many products I'm using before I started my channel, but nowadays when I see that my bin is filling up really quickly, I realize how many products I'm using up. So without any other particular order, I will start with the first item. I finished up a Pixie Skin Treats Rose Tonic with rose and elderflower. So this is basically your Pixie toner infused with rose water, I suppose. I enjoy using this toner. I have another one on my rotation, just as not this one. This is a deluxe sample, it has 100 ml. Now I have in my rotation the retinol. This is the one that I already repurchased. I just didn't open it because I have another retinol product that I'm currently using. So yeah, as soon as I will finish that one, I will open up this one. This is the full version and is 250 milliliters or 8.5 fluid ounces. So yeah, I really enjoy the Pixie product. I finished up a Body Shop body cream in scent Atlas Mountain Rose. Yeah, this is a really nice, pleasant scent, and I really love all the Body Shop body products. This doesn't make any exception. My Glamglow Instamud 60-second Pore-Refining treatment. I have a review for this mask. I finished it up, and I wanna say that my texture of the pores has visibly improved. If I'm checking now, I have less large pores, I can say. I don't know how long lasting is this effect. I will check, and if I see that I'm getting back to my large pores, I will for sure repurchase this. But for the moment I will stop using because I use it for, I think, for 3 months. I finish one shampoo and body wash from Aphrodite. This is for children, really good body wash for children. I use it to wash their hair also. Really good, really nice, pleasant scent, not powerful, and I feel their skin is really soft after I'm using it. So I already have another 2 that I repurchase currently, and I will link below a website where from you can purchase Greek products. I also have a Greek products haul, which I will put it on the description box in case that you are interested to see what other Greek products I've been buying. So really good product from Aphrodite. I finish a Grow Gorgeous cleansing conditioner. Just a normal conditioner. I didn't feel that it's doing anything bad or worse for my hair. I got it, I think, in the last Look Fantastic beauty box. So this is a deluxe sample, it contains 50 ml. I'm trying out the mouthwash from Listerine called Listerine Zero. I really hate it. It has a horrible taste. Very minty, but a bad type of mint scent, so not for me. I finished a daily resurfacing discs from ROC. You can find this brand on iHerb. Basically here there were 60 cotton pads infused with a type of cleanser, so after you remove your makeup you can use this to really deep cleansing your skin. I didn't notice any visible difference. I won't repurchase because I really don't. I think this is an extra step on my skincare routine, which I really don't have time for it. So I prefer to add a mask instead of spending time cleansing my skin with those pads. I finish The Origins Ginseng Energy Boosting Gel Moisturiser. This is 15 ml and we got it in a ASOS beauty box. Really nice, pleasant texture moisturizing gel. I use it on my morning skincare and I really enjoy it. I finished a Ciate London Wonderland mascara. The brush looks like this, is the hourglass shape. However, I didn't love it, so I cannot say anything else about it. That it doesn't do anything for my lashes and is smudging under lower lash area. So just I got it in one of the beauty boxes. I don't remember exactly which one. I will part ways with this Monu Skin Firming Fiji facial oil for dry and sensitive skin. We've got this in a Look Fantastic beauty box. I don't like this texture and also I don't like the scent. I feel like whenever I'm using it, I feel that I'm putting a cooking oil on my face. I finished another deluxe sample. It's from Ritual. It's called Ritual of Dao. And also I got it from Look Fantastic beauty box. Really nice body moisturizer. So really good product and really nice scent. Oh yeah, the most hated product. I finished up this Timewise Firming Eye Cream from Mary Kay. So it's coming with a pump. Really good packaging. So I think in the beginning of, not in the beginning, around May 2018, I've been to a Mary Kay event and I couldn't leave from there without buying anything, so I decided to buy this cream. It's really expensive. I think it's up to $40 or $50. However, I did not realize because I didn't read the ingredients then, but when I got home I saw that in its composition it contains parabens. These are the ingredients that I mostly hate in my cosmetics. Doesn't matter if it's makeup or skincare or body care. I hate and I part ways with parabens since 2013 and I don't support brands and products that are containing this kind of ingredient, and I'm really pissed off that such an expensive product that contains parabens, because most of the brands have decided to remove this ingredient from their products, but it looks like Mary Kay doesn't. And from this reason I use it because I paid a lot of money and because I'm just using in a small portion of my face under eye area. But anyway, I would not recommend this product for all of you that don't want to put parabens on their face. I finished up a Omorovicza Balancing Moisturiser, 30 ml. This was a really good and generous size cream that we received from Look Fantastic in one of their beauty boxes. I really enjoy this cream. It's really lovely, have a nice lavender scent. I was applying this on my nighttime routine and I was feeling that my skin in the morning was really soft and well rested, I can say. So I enjoy this. However, I will not spend the money for repurchase this. So I will be really grateful if we will get another product from Omorovicza in one of the Look Fantastic beauty boxes. I finished up a Caudalie Instant Foaming Cleanser with grapes and sage. Really nice and sensitive, I can say, foaming cleanser. I was using this mostly on the morning because it doesn't have anything heavy on it. It's just a foam and it's just good to remove all the ingredients that you apply on your nighttime routine. So good cleanser. Maybe I will repurchase sometime. I finished a Ernest Laszlo Firm Marine Lift Essential Lotion. This is a toner. I've been using it after I removed my makeup. Didn't feel any difference. This is a really small size, it's 15 mils. Also got it in one of the Look Fantastic beauty boxes. I finished the Ageless Throat and Décolletage Cream from Pore. Really nice and pleasant scent cream. I enjoyed. However, I don't consider that I need another extra step on my body care routine. After I shower, I usually apply the body lotion, body butter, body cream, whatever I have in current rotation. So this is making me to apply another extra step, which I don't need, because I need to grab for another jar, open it, apply it and close it, and sometimes I don't have the time for this. But otherwise a good moisturizer. I will part ways with my LA Pro sponge or something like this. Really good dupe for a beauty blender, but I need to toss it because it's starting to crack. I had a deluxe sample from Lancome called Teint Idol Ultra Wear Foundation. It was in a shade 03 Beige Diaphane. It also contains SPF 15, a really good foundation, I can say. Just it wasn't my shade, it was a bit darker, but however I make it work. I mix it with the Lancome Teint Miracle that I have currently, so it was somehow working, but otherwise good foundation. I just received it in my mail box from Sephora. I will throw the Cargo lip gloss in shade Big Sur. I have it from a long time. It's already not good. It's not in good condition. I didn't like it. It's that kind of sticky balm. And also the shade wasn't so flattering for me. It's kind of... on the hand looks nice, but I didn't like it, how it looks on my lips. So I will not keep this. Few more products to go. I will also throw the Wet n Wild lipstick. I don't know how those are called. It's in the shade E901B. I didn't like the shade. It's that kind of corally shade, which is not flattering with my skin tone. I have another one which I like. This is more toward brown. So this is the shade that is good for my skin tone, and this is not. I look really strange when I'm wearing this shade. Maybe I should be really tan to make this shade work. But anyway, I don't like it, so I don't want to keep it anymore in my collection, thinking that sometime maybe it will work for me, so I'll just part ways. I finished up a Miu Miu Eau de Parfum sample. Really nice scent. It's sweet perfume, but I really enjoy it. I'm not able to describe scents. Really good perfume for those of you who are more into sweet scents. And also I finished up the Calvin Klein Eternity Now. A bright, addictive, floral, succulent, radiant flowers enveloped in a soft cashmere veil. So I even don't remember if I like it or not. I use it up long time ago. I just find it now, and I said that I can mention it on my empties. Anyway, since I finish it, I like it, because if I have a sample which I don't like, I will not finishing it up for sure. Oh yeah, this is a bit more fresh. It's floral, but it's fresh. Yeah, I remember now that I like it. Yeah, it's a good perfume. I finished one head of a brush. I'm using the Oral-B toothbrush, so I'm parting away with this brush. I think this is floss head brush. I really enjoy this kind of brush. However, now I have another type of a brush for my toothbrush, but this is my favorite. I finish all the empties for this year. This video will probably be posted on 2019, even though I filmed it in the end of 2018. I just wanted to have a clean start for 2019 and to throw out all the products that I've used up or I don't want to keep with me for next year. Thank you very much for watching and see you in my next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye!